No.
Okay. What's the name of your book? Show me.
The old book.
That doesn't say the. What does that say?
My old book.
Okay, turn the page. Nope. What is that? Not the. What does the word say?
Look at the olives.
That's not an olive.
Oh, look at the overall.
Good job. Turn the page. Now point at the words as you go while you read it.
Look at the oak tree.
Very good. Turn the page.
What's oak tree?
It's the type of tree that is.
Oh.
We have one in our front yard.
No.
Look at those letters. Look at that first letter.
Look at the olives.
Good job.
Look at the ocean.
Mhm.
Look at the octopus 8 legs.
Very good.
I get